सुनेंगे सेबी चेयरपर्सन माधवी पुरी बुच को, जो इस समय AIBI एसोसिएशन ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर्स ऑफ इंडिया के 12th कॉन्क्लेव में जुड़ रही हैं। आइए सीधा चलते हैं इस कॉन्फ्रेंस में और सुनते हैं वो क्या कह रही हैं।
Until the price stabilizes, possibly wait until the first set of quarterly results come. There is no hurry and there is no impact cost for a retail investor. Now, institutions, if they want to wait and buy in the secondary market, there'll be huge impact cost. So I can understand an institutional investor wanting to come into an IPO, and they also have the wherewithal to independently assess the value. But for a retail investor, if you want to play the odds, come into the IPO market. Then if you win, good. If you lose, it's part of your gamble. But if you are an investor who believes in that company for the long term, then wait until price discovery is more efficient.
So since you've mentioned about the flipping nature, especially of the NIIs, is there any thinking on how do we, because we also know that they are behind the huge oversubscriptions, they're all just into this business for trading. Are we looking at any kind of overhaul in terms of, how do we look at that segment of, because retail we have seen follow the QIBs and NIs. I mean, they would not apply their own mind. They would play the game of listing gains. Many of them flip. Many of them are lazy to flip and continue to hold. But these NIs have been under discussion for a long time. Is there any thinking on that front?
No, I think our last circular on the allotment basis has conveyed the regulatory thinking and the way in which the financing of these applications is done. And the Reserve Bank of India has also brought out certain regulations on funding of IPOs, etc. So I think from our side, the worry that we had that the concept of proportionate allotment was leading to this huge amount of leverage for the IPOs was distorting the price discovery. That was our view. We have taken whatever measures we needed to take. Now, it's a free country.
Okay, my next question you've already covered, but let me still come back to it, which is about the turnaround time at SEBI. And you already mentioned very lucidly as to how concerned you are about the fact that timing is very important and how you have set your new standard.